Hi friends, once again welcome to Electronics Lecture Series. Ashok Jadhav welcomes you. In previous video lecture, we have studied three arithmetic instructions: add R, add M and add immediate. And in that case, we have studied that how microprocessor can be used to add 8-bit number to 8-bit number. But what if you were to add 16-bit number to 16-bit number, or 24-bit number to another 24-bit number? Just as in case of decimal number system, we handle multi-digit addition. 3-digit number and that is added to another 3-digit number, बहु अंकी संख्या, in case of decimal number system. In the same way, in computer we can have multi-byte numbers. So it may have the size of 2 byte, byte 0, byte 1. It may have 3 bytes, byte 0, byte 1, byte 2, like that. And suppose that, for example, if you were to add 3-byte number to another 3-byte number. Suppose that there is number x which has byte 0, byte 1, byte 2. There is number y, byte 0, byte 1, byte 2. So 24-bit number and another 24-bit number, and we want to add them. How to use microprocessor for that, or how 808 can be made to get such an addition? So here, that is a 3-byte number is added to the another 3-byte number, and you remember that 8085 can handle at a time only 8-bit arithmetic. It can add only at a time only 8-bit numbers. So for that we have three different instructions, and using that instructions you can handle multi-byte addition, multi-byte subtraction. So let us study today that add with carry instruction. So move to that. We have studied these three instructions where 8-bit number is added to 8-bit number. But you can see that whenever you add a 1 byte to other byte, that is 8-bit to 8-bit, sum is very likely to exceed 8-bit, because sum cannot be accommodated with just 8-bit, and there occurs the carry. In order to understand, let us consider example from our पॉपुलर डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम. हम डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में एक एग्जांपल कंसिडर करते हैं. x1 एक नंबर है. दिस इज मल्टी डिजिट नंबर, बहुअंकी संख्या. मान लीजिए x1 इज 258 एंड x2 इज से 397. x1 ए 3 डिजिट 3 अंक की संख्या, x2 is 3 digit. And how do we add? You have been trained in school. बहुअंकी संख्येत बहुअंकी संख्या कशी मिळवायची. How do we add? We have 3 columns and we start from the least significant column, and then we add this 7 to 8. And you know very well that when 7 is added to 8, that results into, so this is just one digit and other digit, and when one digit is added to the next digit, this digit, that results into the sum which cannot be accommodated in just single digit. You know that 8 and 7, that is a 15. And how do we that? That means your brain, हमारा दिमाग कैसे काम करता है? सिंगल डिजिट एडर जैसे काम करता है. So that is a 15. So we do not write 15 here. So whatever we get, we subtract 10 from that and we write here 5. So 10 here, so there is a 1 in the tens positions, and we write here 1. So from the sum which cannot be accommodated in a single digit, so we need to express 15, we require 2 digit. हमें 15 को लिखने के लिए 2 अंक चाहिए. So this is the carry, because it cannot be accommodated. इसमें नहीं बिठा सकते हम. So that is a carry. And then in order to get logically correct answer, for the next column we add 9 to 5 along with carry which has resulted out of last column addition. मतलब ये कॉलम के एडिशन में अगर कैरी आता है तो उसे हमें ये कॉलम के एडिशन के टाइम उसको अकाउंट करना है. सो लेट्स कंसीडर 5 plus 9 is 14 plus 1, so that is 15. Once again 15 minus 10, so I write here 5 and the carry has occurred, so that is the carry. So next time what we did, our brain has worked as a single digit adder, 5 plus 9 plus 1 and 5, and again whatever carry is occurred, that is accounted here. And the next again you can understand is 2 plus 3 plus carry, that is 6. This is how you get the sum. So while adding every column, you will have to check whether there is a carry occurred in the previous addition, and that is needed. That has to be accounted while adding the next column digit. So this total addition has been takes place in 3 steps. तो पहले हम इसे ऐड करेंगे, नेक्स्ट इसे ऐड करेंगे along with carry, नेक्स्ट इसे ऐड करेंगे along with carry. This is how we handle multi-digit number in decimal number system. In the same way, in microprocessor we have accumulator and register. They have just a 8-bit, that is a byte. Their size is just a byte. And what if you have the numbers that are multi-byte, just as this multi-digit, ये बहुअंक की संख्या, वैसे बाइनरी में क्या रहेंगी, बहु बाइट संख्या, multiple byte number. So suppose that for you, if you have x1 as a 3 byte number, so 3 byte means 0 0 1 0. This is sample case. 0 1 0 0 1 byte, 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. See that in x1 we have 3 bytes. So this is the byte 0, this is a byte 1, this is byte 2. Just as we have here 3 digit decimal number, we have 3 byte multi-byte number x1. Suppose you have another number which has a 3 bytes. So let us consider for example. It also has a 3 byte, and if you wish to get sum of such a 24 bit number, this number is 24 bit, this number is 24 bit. But remember that microprocessor handles numbers in 8-bit format, and therefore how to add such numbers? So we have to, just as in case of decimal we go from column wise, here also we have 3 byte here, and therefore we have to add this, get this sum in 3 steps. So first of all we need to add this 8 number to this 8-bit number using suitable instruction, and if there is a carry occur, 8-bit में जब हम 8-bit नंबर ऐड करते हैं तो मेनी टाइम्स वो 8-bit में समा नहीं पाएगी, उसमें कैरी जरूर आएगा. दैट कैरी हैज़ टू बी accounted while adding this next column bytes. So for example something is there, so here what will happen is 1 plus 1 is 0 1, this is 0 1 with carry over 0 0 0 1 1 1 with carry. So carry has occurred, so this is indicated by the carry flag. So in first step we will add this byte to this byte, we will get 8-bit sum here, this is sum 0. Okay, next we shall consider the next byte of this x1, next byte of x2, then add this to this along with the carry which has occurred in the previous addition. Then you will get the another sum byte, that is say s byte, sum byte 1. Once again if there is a carry over from this column, that will be indicated by carry flag. अगर आता है तो carry flag indicate करेगा, नहीं आता है तो carry will be 0. So again while adding this byte to this byte, third step you need to account this carry and you will get this sum 2 byte. This is how multi-byte number can be added to multi-byte. So how to add this carry to these 2 bytes. So here we are adding two numbers along with the carry which has occurred in previous operation, and for that we have the instruction ADCR. See here, AD means add, along C means carry, add register along with carry, and where to add, it is always added to the accumulator. So only difference here is that, so you specify register, the content of specified register, see here, content of specified register as usual added to the accumulator along with the carry bit. If it has occurred 1, if it is 1, 1 will be added. If it is 0, 0 will be added. That means no result, no effect, and the result will be placed into the accumulator. So this is how content of specified registers are added to accumulator along with carry, and result is placed into the accumulator. So while handling multi-byte number addition, we require add with carry. So here this is a for add register with carry to accumulator, and you can understand that this idea can be extended to the next instruction, that is add ADC memory, ADCM. So this is I think 5th instruction. So this description will be add memory along with carry to accumulator. This is how you can read it, and its symbol description, you can understand that ADC means add with carry. What is to be added? Memory, and whenever memory means, it is always pointed by HL pair. So its description will be very simple. Sorry, HL will point the memory location. HL will point, this 16-bit is the address of memory location that are added to the accumulator along with carry. This is the only additional here, and the sum is placed into the accumulator. I read it. Content of memory location whose address is given by HL pair are added to accumulator along with the carry. What is this carry? Where this comes from? If at all it has occurred from the previous operation. If not, you need not to account it. That means 0, adding 0 doesn't affect the result. अगर आता है तो add होगा. So this is the instruction. So this is the add memory along with the carry. जब मल्टी बाइट एडिशन है और हमें कैरी चाहिए तो उस टाइम ये इंस्ट्रक्शन यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ऐड विथ कैरी. एंड सिमिलरली थर्ड एनवायरमेंट मतलब जैसे पहले देखा हमने ऐड रजिस्टर था, ऐड मेमोरी था और ऐड इमीडिएट था. यहाँ भी क्या रहेगा? ऐड विथ कैरी रजिस्टर, ऐड विथ कैरी मेमोरी, ऐड विथ कैरी immediate, and that is the last instruction, that is addition, that is the ACI immediate data. So add with carry immediate. So second byte of your instruction will be added. So you can read it as add immediate data along with carry to accumulator. This is how you can read, and as simple it is, that is the data, immediate data which you are given in the instruction. आप आपका नंबर accumulator में जोड़ सकते हैं, मिला सकते हैं, and if it is the instruction like this along with the carry which has occurred in the previous operation. इसके पहले जो ऑपरेशन हुआ है उसमें अगर कैरी आता है तो that carry will be added to the immediate data, and that is added to accumulator, and sum is always placed into the accumulator. So what can be example of this? ACI 07 hex. It means that 07 hex, the immediate data, whatever you give there, that will be added into accumulator and along with the carry. If it is 1, 1 will be added. If not, if 0, nothing will be added, and the sum is placed into the accumulator. So very simple. ऑल द इंस्ट्रक्शन, पहले इंस्ट्रक्शन थी विदाउट कैरी थी, और बाद के 3 इंस्ट्रक्शन जो है वो विथ कैरी है. फ्रेंड्स, let us consider the last addition instruction, that is dad rp. The mnemonic is dad. Dad means double addition, so actually it is a 16-bit addition, and here rp means one of the CPU register pair. So how to read this? Add register pair to HL pair. That means contents of a given register pair are added to HL pair. See how? That means the contents of specified register pair, which are the 16-bit, that are added to the HL pair, which is also 16-bit, and whatever the sum, that is the result, that is placed into the HL pair. See that this is the 16-bit, HL pair is also 16-bit, and the sum is also 16 bits. So if you wish to add 16-bit number to HL pair, that can be added to the HL pair, and see that result is placed into the HL pair. So here you can specify any CPU register pair. For example, you can have dad b. Here register pair b म्हणजे BC pair. So what will happen here? The contents of register pair BC are added to the contents of 16-bit contents of HL pair, and the result is placed into the HL pair. This is one case. Or you can use dad d. Dad d, the word, the most students do not like this word daddy. So here what will happen? The contents of specified register pair, in this case it is a d, means d, that will be added to the HL pair, and the result is placed into the HL pair. Similarly, you can have dad h also. It means that contents of HL pair itself are added to the HL pair, and the result is placed into the HL pair. And there is one more option with this instruction, dad sp. So here stack pointer, which is a 16-bit register, contents of stack pointer are added to the HL pair, and sum is placed into the HL pair. So whenever you want to add contents of any specified register pair, it can be b, it can be d, it can be h, it can be sp, stack pointer. So that a specified register pair is added to the HL pair, and the result is always placed into the HL pair. So it is required to handle some 16-bit addition. Let us consider one example. Say we have something in HL pair. Let us assume that it is in hexadecimal. So 16-bit can be written as, say, 1A57 hex. And let us consider something in register pair DE, say E217 hex. So these are the sample data, and now you are going to execute, say, dad d. This is the instruction, double add register pair DE. And you know that what happens with this instruction, that means when this is executed, the contents of DE are added to the contents of HL pair, and the sum is placed into the HL pair, and therefore you will get some result in HL. Let us see what it comes to be. So you have the first number in HL pair 1A57 hex, and in DE we have E217 hex. So 7 plus 7, that is 14, but 14 hexadecimal is expressed as E. 5 plus 1 is 6. A plus 2. After A we have 2. B, C. So this will be C. And E plus 1, that is F. So the result, 16-bit result, will be FC6E. So that is FC6E. These will be the contents of HL pair after executing this. So this is how you can add any 16-bit register pair to HL and you get the sum in HL pairs. So this is the last instruction, addition instruction, and with this we have finished all the add instructions. So friends, I'm sure that you have understood how to handle multi-byte addition, how to use microprocessor 8085 for adding multi-byte number to another multi-byte numbers. So it's time to stop here. See you next time with new instructions. Love you all. Bye.